Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy HEX on Coinbase Wallet. To get this done, open up your browser icon using the link in the description of the video. Log on to coinmarketcap.com. Now, once there, you would find the price of HEX. Simply scroll down till you find the markets option. At the markets option, you'd be able to find where the token is being traded on. We have Uniswap and we have MEXC. So in this tutorial video, we're going to be working with the MEXC platform. It's a centralized exchange. So now, once you've minimized your browser, make sure you download the MEXC application. And once you've downloaded MEXC, simply open up your MEXC account. Now, if you do not have an account on MEXC, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you get yourself some of the HEX tokens? Simply head to the wallet icon at the bottom right. Make sure you deposit some cryptocurrency. So click on the deposit option. You could easily deposit some USDT by clicking on the trending option that says USDT and deposit on any of these networks. Let's say the BEP20. All you need to do now is simply copy your wallet address and the tokens would be deposited. Now, another option of getting yourself some USDT if you do not have USDT in another wallet is to simply scroll till you find the fiat option and click on buy crypto. By selecting the buy crypto option, you could buy your cryptocurrency using your Visa account, your MasterCard, your credit card option. All you need to do is simply enter an amount and simply buy based on how much you want. So for £1,000, you could get 1,226 USDT. Now, with this in mind, all you need to do is buy USDT, enter your Visa card or MasterCard info, and everything will be done. Now, once you've gotten some cryptocurrency, which would then be here, you could easily click on the transfer option to transfer from your fiat bank or your fiat wallet into your spot wallet. And now once you've entered the amount you wish to transfer, click on the transfer option and it's gone. Head to the trade icon, which is the spot wallet we talked about. Click on the meme AI USDT drop down. Simply search for HEX, that's HEX. Click on HEX USDT. Enter the amount of HEX you wish to buy for an amount. Let's say for 1,000 USDT, you're getting 570,000 HEX tokens. And if you click on buy HEX, your HEX will then be deposited in the wallet section that says spot. So click on spot, perform a simple reload, and you'll find the HEX here. Now, in order to get your HEX tokens to your Coinbase wallet, all you need to do is simply search for the HEX tokens. That's HEX. Click on HEX, click on withdraw, select on-chain withdrawal. And now where we have, please make sure you read through their withdrawal risk and warning notifications. Now, where we have the withdrawal address and withdrawal quantity as well as the remark, minimize and open up your Coinbase wallet. Once your Coinbase wallet is opened, make sure you are aware that you're receiving the HEX tokens on the Ethereum network. So click on the receive and copy your Ethereum wallet address. You could also scan the QR code if you wish. Once the address is copied, minimize and open up the MEXC platform where we have the enter address option. Click on enter address. The network is the ERC20. There's a fee of 6,000 HEX tokens. So we're withdrawing 750,000 HEX, which is giving us this good amount. Now, all you need to do is simply confirm and your HEX tokens would be sent over to your wallet, which is here. And if you perform a reload, you'd find it. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.